A Hungarian expert has said the Belt and Road Initiative has seen a decade of remarkable accomplishments, deserving significant celebrations. Levent Horvath, director of the Eurasia Center of the John von Neumann University in Hungary, made the remarks in an interview with Xinhua just before the third Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation that is held in Beijing from Tuesday to Wednesday.
一带一路这19年，很不容易的，就世界秩序正在变化，然后各种各样的一些外来的一个影响很大的，但是一带一路这十年还是能继续的很成功的，办成很多项目，全球看的话，那就是很受欢迎的这个新的合作模式，大家也是愿意跟中国一起配合，一起合作。
Highlighting Hungary's pioneering role as the first European country to sign BRI cooperation agreement with China, Horvath said the initiative aligns with Hungary's opening to the East policy and has resulted in fruitful collaborations. Commenting on the Hungary-Serbia railway project, a flagship BRI project, Horvath said it has the potential to significantly bolster regional connectivity and cooperation.
我们的期待很高，就是我们认为那个匈塞铁路，不仅仅是一带一路和这个丝绸之路的一个项目，而是对我们匈牙利和对我们这个地区也带给我们更多的一些合作。
By June 2023, China had signed more than 200 BRI cooperation agreements with over 150 countries and 30-plus international organizations across 5 continents, yielding a number of signature projects and small-scale yet impactful projects.